Sweetie Pies, thank you so very much for coming back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you are a current subscriber, thank you so very much for your continuous support. I appreciate you, and I tell you all the time. It has been a minute since I've done a hair video on this channel. I am so super pumped that I got one out for you guys. Actually, stay tuned for more hair videos. I know you guys love them, so I'm going to be bringing them to you. Also, I wanted to just pop in and let you guys know that I do have a channel that's specifically for hair. It is called Pynerahair. It's Pynerahair. So go on ahead and click on that channel and do me a favor and subscribe and like all the videos that I'm going to be posting for you guys. So now that that's being said, thank you so very much again for coming back to this channel, and I'm just going to let you guys just watch me slay these lemonade braids, and let me know what you think down below. Leave me a comment or two. I will most definitely get back to you when I see your comment. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'm gonna just let it ride out. Bye. Okay, so right now I'm just finishing up on her braids. This is the last one. And now I have braided the ends because she wanted them a little bit curly. I'm going to set her hair with some mousse. Now I've already dipped them in some hot water and she's loving the curly ends, as you can see. So I'm just going to continue on taking these braids out and we are done. I love how they came out. And I'm just going to give you a little twirl. Yes, girl, work it. Did her little edges and everything. She really doesn't like baby hairs, but you know, that's that. But yes, thank you so much for watching the video. See you next time.